Let's dive into the word 握手, an expression you'll commonly encounter when meeting new people or sealing an agreement. The word 握手, pronounced 握手, refers to the act of shaking hands, which is a common gesture of greeting or agreement between two people. The first kanji means to grip or seize, the idea of holding something firmly. You see it in words like nigiru, which literally means to grasp, and in akoryoku, which refers to grip strength. In these words, the kanji brings the sense of holding or seizing. The second kanji means hand or skill, the physical hand and also abilities connected to it. It appears in words like tegami, meaning letter, where the hand is tied to writing, and jozu, meaning skilled, where the hand symbolizes ability. He gave an awkward handshake. 彼はぎこちない握手をした。彼はぎこちない握手をした。I made a kind handshake. 親切な握手をしました。親切な握手をしました。He gave a warm handshake. 彼は温かい握手をしました。彼は温かい握手をしました。I shook hands with him without applying force. 彼と力を入れない握手をした。彼と力を入れない握手をした。The most common synonym of 握手 is 逃げる. While 握手 focuses on the act of shaking hands, usually as a polite greeting or parting gesture, 逃げる refers broadly to the physical act of gripping or holding something. The most common antonyms of 握手 is 拒絶, whereas 握手 implies a friendly gesture of connection or agreement. 拒絶 involves refusal or rejection, showing a lack of acceptance or willingness to engage.